welcome back to my video, and today we're learning about how to ask about your country and answer. So let's start. So I'm gonna take two of my fingers and say, one of them will say answer and one of them will say question. So let's start. Hello, I'm Risha. Hello, I'm Risha. Nice to meet you, Risha. Where are you from? Nice to meet you, Risha. Where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh. I'm from Bangladesh. Which city are you from? Which city are you from? I'm from Bogura. I'm from Bogura. Which country are you from? Which country are you from? I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada. Now I'm gonna say it one more time, and now I'm saying one sentence one time, and also say it with me. Hello, I'm Risha. Nice to meet you, Risha. Where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh. Which city are you from? I'm from Bogura. Which country are you from? I'm from Canada. Okay, so practice this at home. Watch this video a lot of times so you can learn better and make your own. So, bye. See you in the next video.